So today I have Nivea and I have Candace here. I am going to be teaching them how to use our infant collection kit when it's time to refresh your infant's hair. So you guys ready? You ready to get started?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. So we're first gonna start with the Moisturizing Aloe Refresher Spray that you're gonna use to reactivate the product that's already placed in it on their hair. So you'll always start with this product first when it comes to refreshing the hair. So it smells really good and very refreshing. So as you spray, yep, get the area, even the bald spot. We wanna even spray the bald spot area because again, hair growth starts from the scalp. So spray the balding areas and spray the entire head and get it fully saturated. So next we're going to use the Moisturizing Leave-in Detangler to lock the moisture in from the Moisturizing Aloe Refresher Spray. So you want to use a nice generous amount of this product because we're going to kind of finger comb it throughout the whole head to actually make sure it's evenly distributed. Our Moisturizing Leave-in Detangler is a 3-in-1 product. It's a leave-in conditioner, a detangler, and a styler all in one product. When they're this young, I really try not to use combs and brushes like that just because I don't want to cause any breakage. So I like to just use my fingers and just work that product through.
Okay.
And just because you know your baby is balding, still focus and put the attention in that area as well because that's what's going to help with encouraging the hair growth in that area. And then you want to take a little bit of the mango butter souffle and focus in that problematic area like we discussed earlier. And you can put a little bit of the mango butter souffle in that area as well. And you can rub it together, turn it into an oil, rub it together, and then massage the back area. We had an amazing day today, ladies. Yeah. I really enjoyed educating you on how to use Reagan Sanai products, and I hope you take these products home and you're able to utilize them for your infant.